Ring Day here at UT. Ring Day is a really huge day for all of our Longhorns to celebrate their accomplishments here on their journey at UT.
Come with us as we talk to our students and parents on their experience at UT.
She has been fulfilling all her college experience, and she's really happy, and we're very proud of her.
For the rest of your life, take everything you've learned through your journey here at UT, apply it to the fullest possible, and be true to yourself just like you've been when you got here.
We love you so much. We're so proud of you.
This has been her dream school since she was in high school, and she was just honored with the Distinguished Scholar Award last weekend, so this is a really proud moment for both of us.
So just them always supporting me, like no matter what I had decided I wanted to do, switching career paths, switching majors. I'm on like my 4th major now. But yeah, just them always having my back and supporting me, like I love them forever for that, so yeah.
And as you go into the world, find something that you love to do, where you're making a difference.
I'm very grateful to my mom for putting me in the position that I am right now.